What's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Comfort Zoom in the Team Red colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button because we have some amazing membership perks on there as well as an amazing merch store. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Comfort Zoom in the Team Red colorway. I actually don't have this color combination in my sneaker collection, so I was really excited to get a hold of a pair of these. So first we're going to start with the overview, then talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this bold color scheme, which I had a lot of fun with. Then we're going to talk about how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into this overview. Starting with the front of the toe box, we've got that canvas material. So this is in a nice, just stark white color scheme, and on the front I feel like that Team Red just really pops quite nicely on the leather. Working our way up, we have those red, of course, we have the Team Red laces with some nice detailing in that royal blue color scheme, which really gives it a little bit of a pop. On top of a dual material tongue. So we've got the suede on the top in this kind of sail color scheme, and then we have a white nylon material underneath that. We do have the exposed material at the top of that tongue in a light blue, and then more of that royal blue accented on the top of the logo here for the Zoom Air. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, again, we have underlays of this nice sail color scheme and that nice quality suede material. More of that canvas. This time the canvas is in that bold pop of royal blue. And then we've got more of that beautiful bold Team Red, which wraps around the back of the heel of the shoe. Working our way up, we have multi materials going on, which is really cool. We've got the smooth leather, then more of that canvas in white, and then more pops of that royal blue with that exposed foam and the light blue color scheme. The insole is white with some nice accents of bright blue, and then the shoe is then completed with a nice simple white midsole and bright blue on the outsole. Let's take a look at those details. All right, so moving on to size and fit of the shoe, I am a size 9 in women, so I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have higher arch narrow feet, so depending on the shape of your foot, this could decipher a different shoe size that works best for you. So if you do have a wider and flat-footed feet, this could also differentiate something different from my style of shoe and how I like to wear it. All right, so now let's talk about styling on this one. So much fun styling this shoe. I really wanted to give it a power look for the first look, which was an all red look, which I paired that with a red blazer and a matching pair of red pants, which I think really pulled quite nicely off of the bold reds in this color scheme.
No, chasing ways to have it to myself just like I should, yeah. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these lines. Can't fight you, I'm spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough when you touch me like that. Stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough, I don't know how you did it, boy, you got.
For the second look, I wanted to go super cozy, so I wore some nice kind of brick red leggings, and then I paired that with this nice gray cropped hooded sweatshirt. I think this you can either dress up or dress down, but I just wanted to give you the two variations.
Found your bedroom, touch me like the sun touches the morning. Yeah, wind me up one look and you can read me like a story. Controlling all of my thoughts, I want you on my body. Turning me on, baby, you know you got me. Got me tripping over all of these lines, I can't lie, yeah. Spinning down, head over my heart, turning inside out. Love me in the dark, looking at you now. I can't get enough.
The last and final look, I wanted to style it with a dress, and this time it was a collared ribbed red dress. Again, kind of matched this red hue to a T. Definitely wasn't something that took away from the sneaker, but I think it just added great value in really bringing out the red hues in this shoe.
When you touch me like that, stick around, swear when we're together, heaven's on the ground. I'll do this forever, looking at you now. I can't get enough, I don't know how you did it, boy, you got me spinning. Bow my head, around my bed, do it again. No going back, got it bad. Bow my head, around my bed, do it again.
So you let me know the three looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these?
Now look up, I can see love, I can see you one. Yeah, nothing gonna take all of my blessings. God wrote the story, can't finesse me, nah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings, nah. This ain't no wavering. Got me free about the mother day you paid for me. Cut the bondage, now it's falling, it was chained to me. I look up so I can see who I was made to be. Swear your love got me so free, it's like a lesson, alright. Grab my hand so you can leave, thought I was helpless at night. I know this is not a season, it's the rest of my life, yeah. Oh, I thought I was surrounded by my enemies. Yeah, I thought I hit the ground, it was the enemy. Now I see you never leave, it's all serenity. Look up, live through the rush. Left the feet behind, can't catch me missing it once. Now look up, I can see love, I can see you one. Yeah, nothing gonna take all of my blessings. God wrote the story, can't finesse me, nah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings, nah. Just cause there's resistance to me, you ain't there. Sometimes I gotta take the step for me to see the way.
All right, Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. These shoes retailed for $140 and they're currently going between $140 to $180 on the resale market. That's it for this episode. Thanks so much everybody for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions you have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out that join button because we have some amazing membership perks on there as well as an amazing merch store. And also be sure to go to that website to check out some Shade gear because we've got some amazing items on there. All right, that's it for this episode. My name's Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will see you all in the next episode.